How to increase a Snapchat score without sending a snap? Hi guys, welcome to the channel. Without further ado, let's dive right into the video. First, we will launch Snapchat. Log into your account. Tap Bitmoji icon at top left corner, and from your profile feed you can easily see your Snap score. So currently my Snap score is 2644. Close this and come back. Tap on chat icon at bottom left. Now here, let's open a particular user snaps and view it. You need to keep viewing the snaps that are sent by the users. And when you open again your profile feed, you can see that the snap score has already been changed to 2665. So in this way, you can easily see that your snap score has increased without sending snaps. So I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.